This is because it's a groundbreaking event of being in a virtual situation, and because we're having to deal with the COVID-19. This gives us an opportunity to share our culture with the world. And it's something that the world already has enveloped because of their love for hula. That throughout the world, you're going to see areas you never believed have hula. They have hula. So this sharing of hula is our gift to the world, and to continue the perpetuation in celebrating this wonderful gift, this cultural gift